Welcome, Falcons, to another edition of First Page Friday. This is episode 3. This is the book The Blossoming Universe of Violet Diamond by Brenda Woods. I'm going to read from chapter 1, The Puzzling Universe of Violet Diamond. Did you ever have a dream that's so good you wish you could save it forever instead of having it go back to that place in your mind where dreams become quieter than whispers, quiet like snowflakes falling? And it's such an awesome dream that makes you so happy that right after you wake up, you rush to write it down because you can't just let it evaporate into nothing. Did you ever have a dream like that? Last night, I did. In my dream, I was walking along one of those picture-perfect beaches you see in vacation ads, where seals sunbathe on rocks and tropical fish swim in see-through blue water. In the distance, dolphins leap from the ocean, and even though it's daytime and the sun was shining bright, a crescent moon hung in the sky. My mom was on one side, my dad on the other, holding hands. Daisy, my older sister, was walking ahead of us. In my dream, we all looked alike. Same skin, same hair, same big white teeth that gleam when we smile. All right, that's the first page of The Blossoming Universe of Violet Diamond. Highly recommend this book for girls. And this is, again, a title that fits with what's happening in our world today. Stay tuned next Friday for another book available on Sora for summer reading.